Okay, can have his journal back now.
You're stupider than you look. Yeah, sure.
Can have your journal back. We don't need it. It's right down the bottom of the list. I never even read it. Okay.
We should keep moving. Let's get going.
Time for us to part ways.
I'm heading home if you need me.
Okay.
Welcome. Let me know if you want anything. I think I got a clean mug around here somewhere.
I'm warning you! Back off!
All right. I did some scouting, and it seems there's a bit of an upheaval with the guard. The Jarl doesn't seem to trust all of them. Or any of them, for that matter. He's hired a bunch of sellswords to guard his chamber. It also doesn't help that before he left, my bastard father sent letters to all the stewards, warning them about a possible theft.
This place, it reminds me of home.
I don't know. Either way, there's more security around the Fetcher's safe than I anticipated. What about your end? I trust you were able to handle things?
Yeah.
Good. We better head on over to Markarth then. If we're lucky, we'll catch him on the way.
Okay, Markarth then.
Hey darling, why don't you show me some of that
Do you
stew?
mind?
I've been looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only.
Okay.
Let's see here. Yeah, got this note. You've got friends in high places. Looks like that's it. Got to go.
This is it. A summons from the Jarl. It says I've been granted the privilege of playing before him. This snowback has the nerve to call me privileged? I can just picture the milk dribbling from his chin.
Yeah, milk.
God.
I like milk.
Getting into frustrating
Yeah, I'm
territory
sure it's
here.
important for a growing boy like the Jarl. I'm just not sure why he has to drink it straight from his mother's breast. Anyway, we need to discuss the plan for the heist. Meet me at the Silverblood Inn. I'm sure you're eager to find out exactly what we'll be stealing from this privileged little fetcher.
Okay, she just wanted
this place. It reminds me of home.
To sing for the Jarl so she could rob him. Okay, I catch on slow. Silverblood Inn, eh?
Maybe we could go find the tavern? I'd kill for some rot meth right now.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to the tavern, I think. Are we? Silverblood
I
Inn.
can go all
Animated armory has been updated. Okay.
day long.
Okay.
The bloodiest beef in the reach.
Come on in. The Silverblood Inn has plenty of strong drink and clean rooms.
I need to rent a room, don't I? Okay.
An arrow to the knee? Ha! My brother took 10 arrows to the knee.
Okay. Must be one messed up knee.
All right then.
Yeah, I got a face-to-face conversation installed again.
What do you need?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it with a good face. Yeah. Okay. I originally turned it off because of
Skyrim is so beautiful. I'm glad
script
we
lag.
decided to travel together.
It's weird her having that voice.
Until next time.
Yeah. That's the original Uriel, not the clone I made to use Liliana's voice.
Forsworn rampaging through the streets, as if business wasn't slow enough.
We don't really need to see his face close up. Okay.
Here, take a look at this. Some of the Jarl's men came by and left this bounty letter.
Okay. Suppose it gives you a good view of your character's ass. I'd like to rent a room.
Sure thing. It's yours for a day.
Okay.
I'll show you to your room. Right this way.
I can go all day long.
Where did he go? I wasn't watching him. Oh, there he goes. He was walking around. Okay, this is the room.
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Rent a room and wait. There she is.
Well, I guess you're wondering what this is all about.
You gonna steal something?
First, the prize. There's a safe filled with jewels in the Jarl's bedchamber. That's all yours. Consider it the second half of my payment. But what I need is the document that's underneath. I'll provide the distraction. The court will be easy enough. Just a bunch of haughty nobles with ice spikes so far up their ass they piss snow. The mercs, though, they might not leave until the finale. But given the fame of the Raven of Anvil, when I play Dusk on Anvil Harbor, they'll all come. They always do. All you need to do is pick the lock before I finish my set. Take too long and you'll have to fight your way out. Now, the most important thing.
A lock?
Don't be late. You should arrive at 3 o'clock, but no later than 5.
Not really the
I'll
lock.
time my performance to your arrival.
Picking type.
Here, I've made myself mostly invisible. In the keep, The two of us will stand out like a wart on a countess's nose.
You're going to
That's why I'm getting an early start tomorrow. You shouldn't arrive until I get to the end of my set. That's when I'll draw the mercs. What do you want, a map? Look, it's not exactly the Dwemer Museum. You'll have enough time to find it.
Okay. Was I supposed to ask him another question? What exactly is in this document?
It's not worth a bloody septum to anyone but me. So you'd be a horker's ass if you kept it for yourself.
Oh, hello. Is the story about the Countess of Anvil true?
Do you mean did it rain 7 days and 7 nights after I played? Gods no. The rest of it went pretty much as they say. When the Countess was appeased, the court fell asleep in their exhaustion. Who could blame them? The poor woman had kept them up for nearly a fortnight. As to why she favored my song, I don't know. There were bards with better voices, and bards who could play far more deftly than I. But I guess the Countess wasn't interested in any of that. All she wanted was a bard who understood her grief. Now that's enough talk. We'll meet back at Old Hroldan when it's all done. Get some rest. Tomorrow's a big day.
Okay. Get some rest. Right.
All the wood furniture in this inn is rotten to the core. Do you know why that is, Klepper?
I don't know, my darling wife. I assume you're going to tell me?
It's rotten because the wood is cheap and it's soaked with ale. Now we'll have to replace all the furniture before bugs set in.
Don't worry, my love.
Watch your back around here. The Silverbloods are the real law in Markarth.
Excellent, Bard. Just like in the tales of old.
Your words do me honor, my Jarl. I will do my best not to betray them. For my next song, I will play a tavern favorite, Mogo's Mead. A song the commoners love, but even a Jarl can appreciate.
Oh, very much so. Now that's some fine honey.
I knew myself a maiden fair with emerald eyes and fire red hair. She owned a tavern by the sea. bring the crew and revel freely. On one thing we're all agreed, that Mogo made the finest.
I do not think so.
Why don't we find out? Come on, let me scratch you behind the ears.
Take a flask and take a seat.
Are you feeling shy all of a sudden? Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty.
I thank you.
Why are you laughing?
I am not deserving of such praise.
Alas, it is with great regret that I inform you that my next song will be my last. Nobles, thanes, housecarls, and of course, my Jarl, to be allowed to play it has been an honor.
You know, I really do love Skyrim.
I hope that this final song will properly convey my gratitude, for they say music is a language that transcends borders, politics, and station. Thus, I bring you this dirge from my birth home in Cyrodiil, a city near the Gold Coast by the name of Anvil. And just as the first anvils were made of stone, so is the city of Marco. Thus, our cities are bound together in hardship, sadness, and strife. And so, I present to you Dusk on Anvil Harbor. Waves touch the coast, armored in twilight. From dawn came the sun, and with dusk it fades from
Excuse me.
home, it graces the sky. Storms rage in our hearts. For honor, glory, and love, from battle we do depart. Fire lights the path, and the salt sprays in our eyes. But warriors born of stone, they are never afraid to die.
Hey darling, why don't you show me something?
Waves touch the coast, armored in twilight. From dawn came the sunlight, and with dusk it fades from our home, it graces the sky. Storms rage in our hearts. For honor, glory, and love, from battle we do depart. Fire lights the path, and the salt sprays in our eyes.
Oh, I think we can go and steal it now.
They are never afraid to
Wait, reminds me of home.
What the hell is it? Oh my god. Okay. Got it. What does she want? We gotta flee. We gotta flee.
You hear that?
Fools are actually fighting.
Okay, I went the wrong way.
Someone do something!
Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, I went the wrong way. I should have jumped down here. And that doesn't go the right way. And that doesn't go the right way. I need to go this way. Well, it doesn't matter now. There is no easy way out. Then. We're back at the entrance now anyway.
May your weapons be sharp, and your prey fresh. Looking to protect yourself, or deal?
Elven Rapier. See, that's new. An Orcish Rapier. Okay, we got an Elven Rapier. We didn't lose someone, did we? We'll find out when I fast travel. Okay. I think when we were doing this quest and Ramaran
I think I should practice my one-handed sword.
Joined us for a little bit. I think Shyvana left when he did that.
Days like this.
Ah, a visitor. Old Rolden Inn has hundreds of years of history, friend.
There's Lorraine the Bandit. There's Jerez. Okay, we've got to talk to the innkeeper.
Good to see you.
Asteria?
Yeah, she was here, but she left. If you leave now, you can probably catch her.
I think my bruises have bruises.
Okay.
What do you want
Until
to
next time.
rest, my friend? I will get us something to eat.
Skyrim is so beautiful.
Thank you, Inigo. You are a treasure. Check if they have any rot meth. If not, just a glass of milk, please.
Okay then.
I'll be taking that, thank you very much. Have to keep a low profile after you butchered all those mercs. Damn unprofessional is what that was. Oh well, what's done is done. That blood's on your hands, not mine. I'm just glad I got what I came for.
Yeah, there you are.
Never should have come here.
What the hell's going on here?
Save the charm for milk drinkers. This was a business arrangement. A very profitable one, I hope.
Okay.
Here we go again.
Alfina?
And it was a pleasure doing
Felina?
I'm not getting used to this.
Now then, if we're all settled, I'll see you.
Okay. Okay. We got stuff we need to take care of. The dragon that breathes purple stuff on us. I'm guessing I don't have the right shout ready. No, we didn't have any shout ready.
Let it be a lesson to others.
Is The eyes look weird. Right. He has Daedric armor on him. That seems weird. Yeah, a lot of arrows in him too, more than you guys could have shot
That
him.
soul smelt of rotting fish and giant's feet.
Can we stop by an inn to rest?
Keep on guard. Getting into sworn territory out here.
The mud crab scuttles, the saber cat dashes, and the eagle soars. But the warrior stands still. She is the 1,000-year oak. Khajiit is glad to do the heavy lifting. Some warriors live to fight. Others fight to live.
Well now, that was still terrifying. Dragon slaying.
I will bear your burdens gladly.
You probably don't need these, but...
If you else, just ask.
You going to make dinner tonight, or should I?
Before I give this rapier to anyone, I should run FNIS. I assume she's gone now. Oh my god! The dragon killed him. You better give him some first aid. No, that got him. Okay. We revived him in time. I don't know what the dragon hit us with that first time, but... Okay. Okay, we completed that quest that had been there for forever. And I still don't really know what it was all about. Okay, doesn't matter.
This place. It reminds me of...
Oh, who wants this other arm? Inigo, I suppose. Wait a minute. Yeah, let's trade.
You want me to lighten your load?
Well. Okay.
Okay, let us get back to it.
I didn't get it off her.
Khajiit does not dream of victory. Khajiit is glad to do the heavy lifting.
Yeah, I didn't get this Nordic armor off you.
The young warrior carries aid. The old warrior wears her wounds.
You want to ask me something? What is yours is mine.
Is it? It is now.
Hey, wait up.
What's
for me.
next?
Okay. I don't know what's going on with him. But, oh. No, wrong button. Right, it's up there. Right, let's go.